whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
How's this road looking? If this road's not flooded, we're fine. Why is there what on the what? Oh, that's a big puddle. Wow. I saw the car in front of me drive through it. I'm like, oh no, it's my turn now, isn't it? Maintain safe following distance, they say. A car is overtaking me, Bubba. This is not fair. Oh, this is sketchy as fuck. Woohoo! It's sketchy as fuck. I'm not even overtaking people. I'm just driving. I'm chilling. I'm chilling at the back. Yes. My pants is wet. My underwear is wet. I'm wet. Oh, the bike doing the thing again. Yeah. Whee! Okay. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Oh. I am exploring. Oh no, there goes my safety shield. The van's turning off that I was following. About halfway there. How long has the call been going for now? Yeah. I really don't want to drive faster than this. It's sketchy. You can tell not a lot of cars has been on the road this morning because there's no tire lines on the ground. Wow. The wind over here is pretty bad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna park it upstairs inside today. Yep. Wee. Brake long before the time. Downshift. Don't mind if I just scooch in right here between you guys. ambulances. Maybe there was a big accident somewhere. Whoa, that's a flood on the other side of the road. Holy shit. I saw a big wave. It's on the other side of the road. That's for this afternoon. Downshift, downshift. Try not to use my brakes. Try and use engine braking. Avoid the big puddles of water. Avoid putting power on the corner. Hold constant speed. Out the corner and go. Whee! Well, luckily this road I know has got a lot of potholes. But god damn, the wind is bad on the N1. Holy shit. I know. That's why if I see any puddles, I avoid them. Hold me now. I'm shifting down around now. Actually, the wind is strong, but it's not bad. I'm driving perfectly fine. It's really not that bad. Besides my legs being wet, my upper body is dry. Yeah, and I mean, yeah, my shoes are wet, but that's not bad either. I got spare shoes at the office. Oh, I didn't pack a towel. I forgot. You were supposed to remind me. Because I did it. You silly ding dong. Yes, you can. You, no. Not always. I'm almost here. I'm about